Metal stakes are easy to use with corrugated plastic yard signs. They take up less space than their alternatives, and they do not require tools or hardware. To assemble, just slide the stake's metal wires into the flute openings at the bottom of the sign. In order to use metal stakes, the flutes must run vertically. You can assemble your signs as needed, one at a time, or save time and space by pre-assembling them while they're still in the box. Standard metal stakes are 30 inches in height and 10 inches in width. This height works well if you like the added visibility of a sign sitting high off the ground. However, the higher the sign sits, the more susceptible it becomes to bending and blowing over in extreme winds. We also offer a harder to find 24-inch stake for bulk orders. These stakes sit a bit lower but are less impacted by the wind. Another smart trick is to actually make two 15-inch stakes out of one 30-inch stake. Not only are you cutting your stake in half, but you're also cutting your cost. It's simple to do. Just find the midpoint of your stake and clip it in half with your bolt cutters. Now you have two functional stakes for the price of one, although the bottom of your sign will sit quite a bit closer to the ground. Signs on metal stakes are easy to install. Simply push the stake's metal wires into the soil until your sign feels secure. If you're using our 30-inch or 24-inch stakes, you can use the bottom crossbar as a step to push the stake down with your foot. The greatest limitation of metal stakes is that they are designed for fairly soft terrain and can be a challenge to get into dense rocky ground. When facing this challenge, look for small patches of greenery or growth to pinpoint where the ground may be softer. Never shake your sign to make sure that it's installed securely. This loosens the soil holding your sign in place. Instead, pinch the top of your sign firmly, but not hard enough to indent the material. Then pull straight up. If your sign stays in place and does not come up with your fingers, it's probably in there pretty well.